Many people over the age of 60 gradually find it harder to sleep deeply. They've tried sleeping pills, melatonin, even herbal teas, yet their sleep still feels short and restless. Each morning, they wake up tired, as if they never rested at all. What may come as a surprise is that a common kitchen ingredient, garlic, could actually hold the key to transforming their sleep. Garlic isn't just food. It's an ancient remedy used for thousands of years. And today, science has confirmed that garlic can help the body relax, ease tension, balance serotonin levels, and support natural sleep, all without medication. In this video, I'll share 4 simple ways to use garlic at home to improve your sleep. Each method is easy, safe, and effective, and the 4th one can bring noticeable results in just a few days. If good sleep matters to you, stay until the end so you don't miss the most powerful tip. Garlic is one of the oldest natural remedies known to humankind. From ancient China and Egypt to Greece and India, it has been used to treat conditions related to breathing, digestion, and circulation. But modern research has revealed another surprising benefit: garlic can help improve sleep quality, especially in older adults. This is thanks to a compound called allicin, the substance responsible for garlic's strong smell. Allicin gently relaxes the central nervous system, improves blood flow, calms the heart rate, and helps ease anxiety before bedtime. It also promotes serotonin production, which is essential for creating melatonin, the hormone that regulates your natural sleep cycle. When serotonin levels are balanced, the body can more easily fall asleep and stay in deep, restful sleep throughout the night. You don't need a lot. What truly matters is how and when you use it. A single clove, a glass of milk, or a small nightly ritual can signal to your body that it's time to rest. The best part? You can do it all at home, no pills, no special equipment. Let's look at 4 ways to use garlic for better sleep. The first 3 are simple and can be tried tonight, while the 4th one may surprise you with its additional health benefits. Method 1. Garlic under the pillow. This traditional remedy has been used for generations. Simply peel 1 fresh garlic clove and place it inside your pillowcase or near where your head rests. As the garlic warms, its mild scent gently fills the air, refreshing your breathing and soothing your nerves. Some people, especially older adults with mild sleep apnea or frequent snoring, say this helps them breathe more comfortably and sleep more soundly. The allicin released from the garlic can have a calming effect on the nervous system, helping you drift into deeper sleep. Just remember to use a fresh clove each night and avoid ones that are old or moldy. If your pillow is thick, place the garlic closer to where your head rests so the scent can spread more easily. Such a small action might help you notice a difference in just a few nights. Method 2. Garlic on the soles of your feet. This method may sound a little unusual, but it's actually been used for centuries in traditional medicine. The soles of our feet are home to many acupressure points, and one of the most important, called yongquan, lies right at the center. Stimulating this point is believed to improve blood flow, relax the nerves, and naturally promote deep, restful sleep. To try this, take 3 to 5 cloves of garlic, peel and crush them into a paste, and gently apply it to the center of your soles. Cover it with gauze or a clean cloth, and leave it on for about 10 to 20 minutes, ideally 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime, 2 to 4 times per week. Many people who've tried this say that after just a few sessions, their body feels lighter, their mind calmer, and they fall asleep faster. But be careful. Raw garlic can be quite strong and may cause mild irritation if left too long, especially for sensitive skin. So, start with shorter sessions and adjust based on your comfort. It's a simple, natural way to relax your body and prepare for a peaceful night's sleep. No medicine, no side effects, just the gentle power of garlic. Method 3. Warm garlic milk with honey. This warm and comforting drink is one of the simplest yet most effective natural sleep remedies. It not only helps you fall asleep faster but also nourishes your body from within. Garlic helps calm the nerves and reduce inflammation. Honey gently relaxes the mind, and warm milk tells your brain it's time to slow down and rest. To make it, take 5 cloves of garlic, peel and crush them, then simmer gently in 1 cup of fresh milk, about 250 milliliters, for around 10 to 15 minutes. Once the milk cools slightly, stir in 1 tablespoon of raw honey and mix well. Drink this soothing garlic milk about 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. Many people notice a difference after just a few nights. They fall asleep more easily, sleep more deeply, and wake up feeling lighter and more refreshed. If you're not used to the taste of garlic in milk, you can start with fewer cloves and increase gradually as your body adjusts. This simple nighttime drink is a gentle way to calm your mind, ease your body, and invite truly peaceful sleep, all from ingredients you already have at home. Method 4. Eating black garlic. This final method might surprise you. Black garlic isn't a special variety, it's simply regular garlic that has been naturally fermented for about 80 to 90 days under steady heat and humidity. During this slow transformation, the garlic turns dark, soft, and slightly sweet. Its strong odor fades, and its antioxidant levels increase dramatically. Black garlic is known not only for strengthening the immune system and boosting energy, but also for supporting better sleep. It helps the body produce more serotonin, which in turn increases melatonin, the hormone that regulates your natural sleep cycle. With regular use, your body can slip into deeper, more restful sleep without interruptions. Simply eat 2 to 4 cloves of black garlic each day, half in the morning after waking, and the rest about 30 minutes before dinner. Chew slowly and follow with a glass of warm water to help absorption. Many older adults who have tried this say they sleep more soundly, wake up feeling lighter, digest food better, and notice improved overall energy. It's a simple, natural way to restore balance to your body and to your sleep, with no medicine, just nature's gentle touch. Sleep isn't something we lose, it's simply disturbed by the small stresses and habits of daily life. And sometimes, the solution doesn't come from medicine or big changes, but from something simple, natural, and familiar like garlic. We've explored 4 easy ways to bring back peaceful, natural sleep. A clove under your pillow to calm your senses. Garlic on your feet to relax the body. A warm cup of garlic milk with honey to soothe the mind. And black garlic to strengthen your system and balance your sleep rhythm. You don't have to try them all at once. Just choose one method that feels right for you and give it a few days. As your body begins to relax and adjust, you'll notice your sleep becoming deeper, and your mornings feeling lighter, fresher, and full of energy again. If you'd like to discover more natural ways to improve your sleep and overall well-being, make sure to explore the other videos on my channel. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you never miss the next simple, life-changing tip that helps you sleep better, feel better, and wake up refreshed every day. If you found these natural remedies helpful, give this video a like, share it with someone who might need better sleep tonight, and let me know where you're watching from in the comments below. I love seeing how far these little wellness tips can reach. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself, sleep well, and I'll see you in the next video.